iOS 26 is here, bringing amazing new features to iPhones, but should you update right now? Some users are already regretting it, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly why. The first thing that catches your eye in the new iOS 26 is its innovative design called liquid glass. The idea is to give a sense of fluidity and visual depth that we've never seen before on an iPhone. And it doesn't stop there. Apple has introduced major performance improvements, making the system faster and more responsive. Security was also a key focus, with the addition of advanced anti-spyware protection tools, something users have been increasingly worried about. Sounds perfect, right? Well, that's where we start to see the other side of the story. Right after the release, social media and tech forums were flooded with complaints from frustrated users. Many, especially those using older models like the iPhone 11, 12, or even SE, are facing a series of issues. The most common one is overall system lag, which makes daily use a frustrating experience. On top of that, there are reports of apps crashing constantly, and perhaps the most serious problem, excessive battery drain. If your battery health is already around 80%, get ready to see it melt away within hours. Another very important point, and one that caught many people off guard, is the impact of the new design. As beautiful as it looks, the liquid glass effects can cause eye strain, visual fatigue, and in some cases, even dizziness. It's as if the screen is constantly in motion, which can be a serious problem for some users. What can you do to improve the experience? So, what should you do? Give up on iOS 26? Hold on, not everything is lost. If you've already updated and you're experiencing these issues, the good news is that there are settings that can help at. Apple included several accessibility options that let you disable or tone down these visual effects. You can reduce transparency, turn off motion effects, and make other fine adjustments to make the design easier on your eyes. It's crucial that you explore these options before panicking or thinking about downgrading to an older version. But here's the big question. Is it really worth updating to iOS 26? That's the million-dollar question. And the truth is, it depends on one main factor. Which iPhone do you have? If you own a newer model, like the iPhone 14, 15, or 15 Pro Max, the chances of enjoying all these new features without major headaches are very high. These devices have more powerful processors and optimized batteries to handle the new system. But if you're using an iPhone 11, 12, or even SE, the recommendation is simple: wait. Historically, Apple releases smaller updates in the following months to fix these early bugs. Wait for versions 26.1 or 26.2 and check out the community feedback first. Evaluate your needs, and most importantly, your device's compatibility before making a decision. So, what about you? Have you already updated to iOS 26, or are you waiting to see what happens? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.